I recently bought this Pilates ring and ball set because my workout partner and I wanted to enhance our workout routine. Now, we had already been using a Pilates ring in our sessions, but sharing one ring during workouts was super limiting. So, with this set, we now have an additional ring allowing us to work out simultaneously. Plus, adding the mini ball exercise and then the resistance bands also opened up even more exercise options to target specific areas like the core stability, flexibility, and strength. What I love most about this set are the extra tools that add variety to our routine. So the resistance bands come in 3 levels: light, medium, and heavy. They make it easy to adjust the intensity of our strength training. The 9-inch mini exercise ball is fantastic for improving balance, core control, and toning areas that we don't usually focus on when we're lifting weights. Now, on the Pilates ring, you will see that it does have padded handles, and it's actually got some pretty good sturdy construction. So whether we're doing inner thigh squeezes or if I am toning my arms and doing those exercises, this ring feels solid and pretty reliable. The other thing I like is that this set is travel friendly, which means I can take it along with me during our vacations so that we can stick to our fitness goals. This bundle has actually been a game changer for our workouts, and it gives us everything that we need for a versatile and effective fitness routine.